Okay, so we have another problem here, recyclable and low fat products. So the table name is products, and we have three columns here, product ID, low fats, and recyclable. So we need to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable, and the result table in any order. As you can see here, the product IDs 1 and 3 are listed because both of them, low fats and recyclable is yes. For 1, both of them is yes, and for 3, both of them is yes. So we need to select the product ID from products using the where clause, where low fats is a yes, and recyclable is also yes. So let's submit it. Okay, so it is submitted now. I think the solution is correct. So let's submit it. Okay, so the solution is correct.